Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to uninstall a software from your computer. So what is uninstall? So the uninstall means you are removing a program and all the files of that program from your computer hard drive. To learn in more details you can come back here later. This is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now first of all I will have to go to my type here to search and then search for the control panel. It is already here. Now I'm going to click on this and then I will have to click on the uninstaller program. Now I will click on the program I want to uninstall, in this case the 7-zip, and then I will right click on this and click on uninstall, and then I will select yes and then click on uninstall. Now 7-zip is uninstalled, so I will click on close. Now if I search over here the 7-zip, so there is nothing on my computer. This is the web, but there is nothing on my computer. That means that the 7-zip has been removed. So this is how you uninstall a program in your computer. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to uninstall a software from Windows in the control panel. Thank you for watching.